If your website is showing a GoDaddy DNS resolution error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix it. This is one of those issues that can look technical at first, but once you understand what's happening, it becomes much easier to solve. Whether your site is not loading, your domain is pointing to the wrong place, or your DNS settings were changed recently, this guide will help you get back on track. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to GoDaddy, and log in with the account that manages the domain you're trying to fix. Once you're inside your account, head over to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting services, and related settings. Now under the Domain section, find the domain that is having the DNS resolution error. Next to that domain, click DNS. This will open the DNS management area, where you can review the name servers and all of the DNS records connected to your domain. The very first thing you want to check is the name servers. This part is extremely important because if your name servers are wrong, your domain may not know where to send traffic. If you are using GoDaddy hosting, then your domain should usually be set to the GoDaddy default name servers. But if you are using an external hosting provider like Cloudflare, cPanel Hosting, or another web host, then your name servers need to match the name servers provided by that company. If the name servers are not correct, that alone can cause a DNS resolution error. To fix that, click Change Name Servers. From there, choose the correct default option if you are staying with GoDaddy hosting, or enter the custom name servers your hosting provider gave you. Make sure you type them exactly as provided, because even a small mistake can prevent your site from working properly. After that, save your changes. Once the name servers are set correctly, move on to checking your DNS records. This is where your domain tells the internet where your website and services are located. The most important record to check first is the A record. Look for the record with the host name @ This should point to the correct server IP address for your website. If the IP address is wrong, your domain may resolve to the wrong server or fail to load completely. Next, check your CNAME record for www. In most cases, the www record should point to @ or directly to your domain name. This helps make sure both the non-www version and the www version of your website work correctly. If this record is incorrect, visitors may run into errors when trying to access your site. While you're reviewing your records, also look for duplicate entries or old records that no longer apply. Sometimes DNS issues happen because there are multiple conflicting records or because an old hosting setup is still saved in the DNS panel. If you see duplicate or wrong records, remove them carefully so only the correct settings remain. After making changes, remember that DNS does not always update instantly. In many cases, changes start working within a few minutes to a few hours, but in some situations, DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours across the internet. That means your changes may be correct, but some users might still see the old settings until the update fully spreads. If you want to check whether your DNS is resolving properly, you can revisit the domain after a little while and test it again. You can also try refreshing from a different browser or device. If the name servers are correct, the A record points to the right IP, and the CNAME is set properly, your DNS resolution error should start clearing up. So to quickly recap, sign in to GoDaddy, go to My Products, open your domain DNS settings, verify the name servers, fix them if needed, check your A record and CNAME record, remove any bad duplicates, and then wait for propagation. That's the full process to fix a GoDaddy DNS resolution error. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.